Hey guys, we're in the kitchen today and I have my sister with me. We're going to make barbecue sauce. She's been dying for this barbecue sauce because what? You went through mommy's cabinets.
Yes.
She went through mommy's cabinets, okay?
We have 50 different kinds. I don't like any of them.
Yeah, she's like store-bought and she threw them all away. So she's like, but I need barbecue sauce. So we're going to make barbecue sauce and then we're going to can it. So what we did is we have our own separate because she's spicy and she wants extra cayenne pepper in it. So, and it already has some. It already has like a little kick, so I didn't want too much kick. So we're doing separates. So we started out and we have 5 cups of ketchup in our thing here. And we doubled it, except
10.
we didn't fully double it because we ran out of ketchup. So it's like what, 8 cups ish. Yeah. So what we've been doing too is we doubled, but then not doubled our spices as well. So I'm going to give you the ingredients for this. It's a baby. I know I do this all the time. You guys know I'm always just making stuff up and throwing stuff in. So we're at that same kind of concept here. My sister's the same. So we both want to just throw in. But I will give you the actual recipe. It's a Sweet Baby Ray's. The only thing I don't have is the liquid smoke, which we're disappointed about. I know she's very mad because it's the only thing she wanted, and I ran out. So we don't want to go to the stores like a half hour away. So no liquid smoke.
Next time.
Next time. So our ingredients are...
Doubled it, so it would be 4 cups of brown sugar.
Well, I'm going to give them the one recipe.
2 cups of brown sugar.
So we have our 2 cups of brown sugar. I do have a little bit less, though.
1 cup of honey.
All right, so we have our 1 cup of honey.
I'm going to do a little less.
We're just going to pour, but you would do 1 cup of honey. So I'm just going to kind of eye it. And
shit.
How much I want.
My. All right. I'm doing less of the honey because I put the normal brown sugar.
Yeah, because she has a good bit of brown sugar in there.
Oh, shit. Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to curse.
Don't mind her language, please. We're going to keep it to just the...
All right, that's good.
The shits. How much mustard? I think it was 3 tablespoons of mustard.
All right, we're going to skip over the liquid smoke. Yeah, 3 tablespoons of mustard.
Okay, and a spoon.
And I just had one too.
And then you're going to cook this down too for like 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to pressure can it so we can have barbecue sauce for life. Now our spices, we combined everything total in here. Lisa's going to read them off to you.
All right, 2 tablespoons of paprika. Well, all of them. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You want a little more spicier? You add a little more. That's what I'm doing. 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper.
So that's what we have in ours, give or take. And then...
The cayenne, I'm going to put a little more cayenne.
Yeah, I left it out for you.
Oh, yeah.
Here, you can have this one. And then we're just going to mix it in. And cook our barbecue sauce. So let me show you guys what it looks like. It's kind of a mess right now, but wait till you see what it's gonna be.
Delicious.
And
it's gonna be spicy.
How much?
I just bring it a little more in from.
Yeah, because
1/8 is not a lot.
No, 1/8 is not a lot, especially when we doubled it. So, double, sort of double.
Yeah,
whatever. You know how it goes. We just kind of pour in and hope for the best.
I like the scraper.
Is that a nice one?
Yeah, it's thick. Yeah, the brown sugar's kind of.
Yeah, the brown sugars. It takes a minute, and as it cooks too, and you stir, it'll work. But we'll do this for about 15-20 minutes, and we'll show you what it looks like.
I'm going to taste it, when it's heated, and then I could add more pepper if I want. I don't want to do too much because then...
No, don't do too much, but you could always add. You could always put in. Okay, we're going to do a little taste test, and I think I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce in mine.
Worcestershire sauce. Yeah, I'm good. Yep.
Well, it's bubbling all over.
I know it's spitting all over it. Squirt me. All right. Shush. Measure what?
Nah, we don't need to measure.
We're not baking. We're cooking. I only measure when I bake.
I do measure when I bake, but then sometimes I don't even measure when I bake.
But I don't really bake, but you know.
But sometimes you do have to measure. Some things you do have to measure. The trick is knowing the difference, I guess. All right, so let's taste test this here and see what we need. I'm just going to figure it.
Whoa. Let me taste yours.
It's good. It's a little sweet. Can I taste yours?
Yeah.
Different finger?
Yours is sweet. The honey.
Yours is
not sweet.
Something.
Yeah, there's something. It's like.
Is it the type of ketchup?
It could be like a little,
it could
like
be
salty or something. Yours is really sweet though. I taste the honey in yours.
Yeah.
I think it.
It might be the paprika.
You think?
Not the paprika.
I know this was dark. Like a darker was a little darker.
The one ketchup she used. Let's move you guys back. The one ketchup she used was different than all the other ketchups, and we're wondering if maybe that made it.
It's a little different.
It is. It's a little different. It's good though.
Any more pepper?
Here, you want more pepper?
This is the third time I'm adding it. But.
Oh, and correction, she did not throw away Mommy's
barbecue sauce. But I'm going out. Well, I'll leave one.
Don't tell Mommy. It depends. We're going to see. If it's expired, it's going. If it's not good for you, how about not throw it away as not to waste it, but maybe we'll give it, to someone.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I won't trash it. I'll give it to somebody.
Or donate it somewhere. We'll do that.
I'll keep a few, but we don't need 8 bottles. Like really. It's too much. Oh, this is a mess.
It is. It's a mess. And I just cleaned my stovetop, but my stovetop always looks a mess because I do stuff on it.
Because I cook.
Yeah, I do. And I can on it. And I'm moving stuff around. And it's probably not made for canning, but I do it anyway. And I think I might add some. So we are almost done here, guys. I'm going to say maybe another 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And then we were going to start our canning process.
I feel like mine needs something. Oh, I like the spice.
You got spice now?
Yeah. It's good.
Too much spice?
No, good.
Can I taste it?
Yeah.
I'm running out of fingers.
It's like after you just taste a little. You taste it?
Oh, yeah, I taste it.
Yeah, it's a good spice.
Oh, yeah. Oh, lovely.
Yummy, yummy.
All right. It's maybe that's what you needed.
Yeah, a little spice.
Do you want a little more honey?
I'm running out of fingers too.
Well, we'll wash our hands and we'll get fresh new fingers. You don't need it.
No, I like it.
Sweetness.
I think it's good. Ooh, it's got a big piece of pepper.
Like black pepper?
Yeah, look.
Ew.
What?
I hate that because I have these grinders. I have these pepper grinders. And when you grind it, sometimes you get like a big chunk, and then you like bite down, and it gets like.
It was a big.
Yeah,
that was a big chunk.
I'm not a fan of that happening.
Wash my hands, so I got. Ooh, your scallions look good.
All right, we figured it out.
My ketchup is blended with jalapenos.
That's why it was a darker, weird color, and that's why it has a different taste.
Bowling basket.
It's a spicy jalapeno. Perfect.
I love it.
We are ready. And let me show you what it looks like here. Shut stuff down.
Oh, you shut it, right?
Yeah, I shut the stove off. So that's what it looks like. That's what hers looks like. You can see it's a little bit darker in color.
Oh, barbecue sauce is dark.
And then we're just going to can this up. So let me just do the first one for you guys so you can see. You're going to can it, and we're going to use pint jars. Sometimes you use the half pint, and that'll get you a good, like, one serving. This will probably be 2 or 3 servings. But you're going to...
You don't fill to the top?
No, you don't fill it to the top. You don't leave headroom. You can fill it more. Just fill it up to here. Mm-hmm. And then you're going to use your little stick here. Just get the air bubbles out. Up and not put it on the edge like I did. Wipe the edge.
Oh, still spitting.
Yeah, it's going to be hot.
I don't want to spit all over. I'll leave the lid on it.
And then put our lids on and then hand tight. All right, we're going to do that as many times as we need, and we'll check back with you.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud.
Am I doing too tight? All right.
Okay, guys.
Ooh.
Don't bang it.
You want me to Sharpie mine? So
no, I just put like a line. So I put a line on mine to differentiate from hers, so I don't get no spiciness.
They're all gonna fit?
They'll all fit.
Really?
It smells in here because we got like all kind of stuff on the stove, and now it's like burning. Should be able to fit. How many more you got?
2. They're little guys, but maybe we could squeeze it in.
We'll squeeze them.
1. I don't know. Maybe. Oh.
Sometimes if you're in
there's gotta be. Yeah, like
put a big one in the middle.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Is that a big one?
Yeah. And then you might be able to squeeze that one there.
No.
Oh yeah. We're squeezing it. We're not doing it for just one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
It's going to touch and break.
They can touch.
They cannot touch.
They can touch.
Are you water bath or pressure cooker?
Pressure cooker.
They cannot touch.
How can they touch? They're all touching. What do you mean? What does it mean? They're all touching.
You're supposed to have room. They are all touching.
All right. Well, then leave one out.
It won't fit on the top.
Oh, I could do it over the stove, right?
Because it's not a pressure can. We could just leave one in the refrigerator.
Okay.
Do you want to leave one of yours, or you want me to leave one of mine?
Yeah, you can leave one of mine. That's fine. Yeah. All right.
So don't can it, and
I'll just eat this now.
Is right. It does not fit. So we're gonna leave one out, and then that one will just go in the refrigerator. It is so close. If we used more smaller ones that have the wide mouth, it would have.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, if we used one more of these instead of that, it would have.
Instead of the big one.
Damn, it's so close. All right.
That's all right. Unless you want it, take mine out.
Nah, okay.
I don't care. I'll put it in the fridge.
I know.
All right. So
what's this thing?
Let's let this get hot, and then we're gonna can this for 20 minutes. All right, and these are pint jars. Yeah. All right, our barbecue sauce is ready.
BBQ.
And we wound up getting.
Wow, look at the bubblies. Like, is
5
that
each. Oh yeah, because it's like still cooking in there.
Wow. All right.
We got 5 each. And our barbecue sauce will be ready for shelf life as soon as they all ping, ping, ping.
Ping, ping, ping.
Okay, guys, that's it. We got our barbecue sauce. Lisa's happy.
Next time, liquid smoke.
Next time we'll do liquid smoke. All right, guys, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next adventure.